Hi, I'm Brian. Just wow! Look at this 3-month chart from Tesla. From a low of $572 to today's price of $736.88. That is a 29% gain in 3 months. And look at the 1-year chart. Since the 900s in February, the stock has traded wildly in the upper range of the upper 500s to the mid 700s. Does this mean that we're due for a pullback? Let's talk about what's up with Tesla's stock price, what caused the recent rally, some of my valuation models, and what I intend to do. So, grab a coffee, stick around for a bit, and let's dive right in. The story starts on June 22nd, the run up to Tesla's delivery numbers. The price was a measly $623. Then, boom! 2 days later, we're at $680. People were expecting a blowout in delivery numbers. Deliveries came in at 201,250 vehicles, while the Tesla beat 3NY expectations, but due to the Plaid's late rollout, Tesla missed delivery estimates by a couple thousand. This was the result of analysts simply not realizing that Tesla only had a couple days to lock sales for the Model S Plaid. It's their fault. Either way, in the long run, this miss is very small and meaningless. Doesn't stop the stock from plummeting to 644 on July 7th, though, right? It's silly. The next catalyst is earnings. Yes, earnings. Earnings came in on July 26th. The price then was $657. How were earnings? They were a beast. Revenue up 98%. Gross profit up 128%. Margin hits 24.1%. Operating margin hits 11%, by far the highest ever. Non-GAAP net income up 258%. These numbers blew everybody away, including myself. I bet even Gordon Johnson was in shock. What's next? AI Day. And Tesla blew it out of the park on AI Day. Not only did we get a slew of FSD updates, we got the Terminator. Oh, sorry, I mean the Tesla bot. I expect the bot to roll out around the 2025 to the 2026 time range. Just a guess. I have no idea, really. Next, we get news from Bloomberg that Tesla is in talks with 3 Indian auto component suppliers. They produce instrument panels, windshields, differential brakes, gears, and power seats. This implies an Indian Gigafactory may be announced sooner rather than later. This is exciting. As if that wasn't enough good news, we get this news report on August 26th that Tesla filed to become an electricity provider in Texas. Elon has always said that energy will be as big as their automotive business. It's good to see movement on that front. This is a lot of good news in a very short time span. It's no wonder the stock went on a tear. It was based on fundamentals. That said, the stock is at a 3-month high. Close to a barrier, traders say. Some say Tesla is due for a pullback. What am I doing? Am I selling? To answer that question, let's look at where I expect Tesla's stock value to be in the future. Here are my valuation models for Tesla Robotaxi only in 2031. You can download this at my Patreon. I have a bear price of $2,750 and a bull price of $14,542. This is for Robotaxi only, assuming Robotaxi rolls out in 2025. It does not include energy, auto, FSD, Tesla bot, or anything else. I've also modeled out Tesla FSD. If you combine the bull case for Robotaxi with my FSD estimate, I come to a share price of $15,498. Again, this is my absolute bull case, the bullest of bull cases that I have. But then again, this is also just FSD and Robotaxi. No energy, no auto, or the Terminator, or anything else that they've got cooking. Even if you take my bear case for Robotaxi, that comes out to $7,000 per share. Almost a 10x from here. I'm telling you, if you're going to say, I got 10x for you in 10 years, it's just gimme, gimme, gimme. And this is for 2031. These numbers that you see in the chart here are a little outdated. It has a current price of $644, but I'm sure you can adjust as needed. Again, you can download my models and my Patreon for only $1. So, will the price go up or down in the near term? I don't like to do short-term predictions, but if I really had to, I wouldn't be surprised to see a little pullback before Tesla goes higher, hitting into Q3 earnings. This is just a guess. Remember, in the short term, the market is a voting machine. Long term, it's a weighing machine. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor, so please do your own research. Am I selling today? Oh, hell no. Let's get this out of the way. I'm not a trader. I do not day trade. I do not swing trade. It's just not my style. Here's what I do. I research companies. I look out 5, maybe 10 years in the future. I research. I build conviction. I do a valuation. Sometimes I do multiple valuations. I double check those numbers. I triple check those numbers. I make sure that the company will be worth vastly more in the future than it is today. Then I pick a fair entry price. Then I purchase below that price. I DC over time, build up my position, and hold. Dumb in hands. That's it. It seems simple in writing, but it is hard to do in practice. But I've been doing this for 17 years. My cat says don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you to the subscribers. Thank you to the patrons. You guys are amazing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.